In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use calendar that fits your workflow, whether you're planning study sessions, mapping out content, or organizing your work schedule. Start by opening Notion on your computer or in your browser. Give it a second to load your workspace so you're in the place where you want this calendar to live. If you use multiple workspaces, just glance at the top left area to make sure you're in the right one. This prevents confusion later and keeps everything neatly organized. Next, create a new page. Look for the plus new page option, typically in the left sidebar. Clicking this opens a fresh page with a simple setup area designed to get you started fast. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or tap the toggle to reveal it. When the new page appears, you'll see a section labeled Get Started With. This is where Notion gives you a handful of database formats to choose from. Under Get Started With, choose Calendar. This instantly creates a calendar database view for your page. You'll see a familiar monthly grid ready for dates and entries. What's great about using the calendar option is that you're building on Notion's powerful database foundation, which means you'll be able to sort, filter, and adapt the view later as your needs grow. For now, just notice that the calendar is already laid out and ready to go. No extra setup required. Finally, give your calendar a clear name. Click into the title field at the top of the page and type something that matches its purpose. For example, Study Planner is great if you're tracking classes and revision blocks. Content Calendar works well for creators planning scripts, posts, or videos. Work Schedule is a straightforward choice for meetings, deadlines, and shift planning. A descriptive title helps you find this calendar quickly through search and makes it obvious what it's for when you see it in your sidebar. If you manage multiple calendars, consider adding a short prefix, like personal or team, to keep things distinct at a glance. That's it. Your calendar is created, named, and ready to use. To recap, you opened Notion, created a new page, selected Calendar under Get Started With, and gave it a meaningful name. From here, you can explore more customization whenever you're ready, but the essential setup is complete. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning with your new Notion calendar.